Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade cheese crackers. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then grate the sharp cheddar cheese. And add it into a medium or large bowl. And add in the softened butter, salt, and flour. Mix them with a spoon at first. Then use your fingers to rub and squeeze the mixture until the mixture is combined and crumbly. Then add in the cold water. Mix it with a spoon at first. Then use your hands to bring it together into a dough. Then wrap it in plastic wrap. Flatten it into a disc. And refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes until it's cold. Then take a sheet of parchment paper that's about the size of the pan you will be using. Remove the dough from the fridge and cut it in half. Place one half back into the fridge so it stays cold. Place another sheet of parchment paper on top of the dough and roll it out until it's a rectangle shape and about 1/8 of an inch thick. Make sure to really roll in the middle because that's the hardest parts to get really thin. Trim off any edges that are too big and put them into other spots that need it. Then cut it up into 1-inch squares. And use a chopstick or the back of a skewer to poke a hole in the center of each cracker. Then place it onto a baking sheet and bake it in the oven for about 12 minutes until it's cooked through. You can separate the crackers before baking it, but this is the way I like to do it, so there's no need to leave space in between each cracker, and it can bake more in one batch. Then remove it from the oven and let them cool for 5 minutes until they're just warm enough to handle. Then separate the crackers. Rearrange them so they're in a single layer. And place them back into the oven for another 5 minutes to let them crisp up. Then remove them from the oven and leave them to cool. And repeat that process for the second half of the dough. And that's how to make homemade cheese crackers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.